Your 5 minutes is about to start. So I need all the energy from everybody here for the 2023 DMV Sound System Association. Make some noise for one last time. DJ Pepper and the mighty Superman.
Yes. Yeah, man, the big sound listener. Yeah, man. My wife called my sound the dub machine. And she don't know. Oh, maybe I just a little thing. I don't know. It's a league, the DSA league. One of the cheerleading team. It's a DSA league. A long time we have fight with something like this. I don't want nobody to come here from anywhere you come from, Mount Jack, I respect you. But don't come talk about a baby league or whatever league you want to call it. You know, if the next time, bring the sound come.
Automatic killer down. That man doesn't say you're a Spanish story. Fuck him up. Hey, don't be a boy. You need some boy.
That's a 1-to-1. Bring the sound on. Bring the sound. Don't play for the man soon. Bring the sound. Alright, you know what I do. This morning, boy, I'm here to come and say to me, say. Listen to what she said to me now. She said to me this. Listen. Yeah. This is what she said to Pepper right now. Listen.
Watch this. Supermatic, let me tell you. She say you may not be the greatest baller, but she's she say you may not be the greatest baller, but she love you more than Terry and the Maradona. Hey, you're not even a guitar specialist, but she love you more than Carlos Santana. Hey, she says she never would have left the side of
Hold on now, I'm going to show them the versatile. I'm going to show them the versatile. I'm going to play the Manhattans stand up. The Manhattans, the group, the Manhattans.
Wait, what?
One more. Alright, listen. Alright, here I'm on. Hey,
Okay. Alright. You're all going right now. Corner people, you ready? Supermatic, super fun. Are you ready? Make some noise and give it up one time for this song. Contestant number 2. Final 5 minutes. Give it up for Solo Vibration.
Check. Pepper. Ready. Respect me now. I have to give you the glory. See? That's right now. We don't waste no time. Now look how ladies in the place and nobody don't really represent for the ladies them. So it's like 5 minutes here. I think all of the ladies them enjoy themselves right now. Still representing for the ladies.
Yeah.
Yo. So you know the vibe, man. So keep the energy and the positive vibes going. Hold on the red. Make sure so the man them get them proper do.
Guyanese coming like Jamaican, you know, them teeth them slick. Them cheer holy power like us and make some noise for soul vibration, you know why? Because I'm gonna make some noise for red, go red! Yo, are you guys ready? 5 minutes now. I want to make sure so you do it properly and not rushing you. You have your tune them ready? The 5 minutes of your life. Alright. You ready, right? Holy power and the whole of Guyana there, man. You take chair and go back to Guyana. If you don't represent properly. Alright, ready, right? Alright. Caravan, come closer, man. I have one. Man, you have 2 food, you look like you're fully. Don't come closer. The food you can warm it up later. Let's fall. Oh my youth. I'm gonna gather around and give the people them love. Are you ready on the counting? Make some noise for red. Go, let's go!
Yo. Family and friends, DSA. We say members, right? Yo, pick a pepper. You make a talk earlier about DSA family, and 1 away and 2 away and 3 away. But there you are. What you see right now, this is the DSA Festival and our members, right? So here you are.
Red, green and gold international sound, yeah, you know the murder sound, the killing sound. Long talking with that's why we say big up to Washington DC, yeah, you know, Georgetown, New Jersey, and the West Side family every time. No Marcus, yeah, you know, one and nothing that. Ross Martin, yeah, you know, rough youth, murdering some boy. We take that for fun, yeah. Red, gold,
That green song only. Pull up. Not it again.
Red Gold Green is classical sound based not about classical hits after hits, even some boys, hits after hits. Now we got Marcus, Kwang, Ras Martin, and Rough Youth. Take it away. This is Lucian and Jamassi with Kabona in a classical style. You know, many some boys have high hopes, big dreams, making it into the music fraternity. Hoping one day the names would be on the wall of fame. But tonight, Red, Gold, Green is going to put them in the song on the wall of shame, utterly erasing from the sound business and shattering his dreams. The little sound boy has bitten more than he can chew, and this is why Red, Gold, Green is here to teach him a lesson. Never exalt yourself, little sound boy, because you're soon to be a bass. And tonight, Red, Gold, Green is sure to deal with your case. Red, Gold, Green kill some sounds tonight. They don't set people to fight. Ain't no stopping until they're through. One look great and a soul by black and blue. Red Gold Green killing sound so long. Anytime Red Gold Green turn on. So little jump and beat and go.
Check, hold on. You see the computer business? Hold on, you see that? Yo, brother, plug in your phone.
Yo, give me the laptop with it front mix up on it.
Bono. I mean, I say yo DJ Grammy, I say yo Washington DC, New York, Jamaica, Guyana. I say yo Lady Tees, Stacy, Life is saying, man, that we are promote. Butter.
Check.
DJ Grammy. Amaka, DJ Grammy. I say Grammy love line. DJ Grammy love line. I say Grammy love line. And that's why him survive. So we don't know what tomorrow might bring, cause the future, the hours.
Check.
Yeah. So you are going right now, massive. I stand in front of the sun, they call themselves Wet, Gold and Green Massive. That's their last 5 minutes. I don't care what to do right, so make some nice red, gold and green. That's alright. Forward, baby, forward and make up all of my eyes. Make some nice red, gold and green. Final 5 minutes at massive. Well, good job, guys.
If I ever tell you about action, you say I don't know what I know. Watch out, me a murder them now. Murder them now. Murder them now.
Some of them jump and sound, idiot sound. One mighty action, you get thrown down. Jump and sound, idiot sound.
We have the man, who that a come? We have the man, mighty action can. We have the man, who that a come? We have the man, we have the fun. We have the man, who that a come? We have the man, mighty action can done. We have the man, who that a come? 6 foot 6 a foot sound and my brother move it on up. Soul boy, bomb, what's it doing? We come to stand up. Till the day we say back up and run, we are stand up.
Them say 5 minutes, so we tell the gentleman, trouble.
We make fun now. That soul boy come off on the right.
We no fight no fish nobody, but we respect everybody, and we bad than everybody.
Hey boy, Willie.
No boy no better than we. No boy no better than we. The fun we can and say.
If I don't feel like him back, let me tell you something tonight. All your party for a long time, no one hear you.
Sometimes some of them are running back. Me a road boy, you tell me nothing back my chat. Sometimes some of them are running back, but me a road boy, you tell me nothing back my chat. You full of big chest, they can't defend that. If I chill out, you come from, we sending you the back. You full of big chest, they can't defend that. If I bend you, you come from, we sending you the back. But then the power when they get around.
So when you come to juggling, that's so many around. All you enjoy themselves.
You like a style of daddy, the kingdom, you backyardy. When you get a new class,
Everybody stop moving.
school of that, you go party. You like a style of daddy, the kingdom, you backyardy.
Real bad man, no model in a shot. Straight jeans, cut off for part. Everybody have the arms, so we get the class. Everybody have the arms, so we get the class. Feel the hard, this way soft. Toothbrush, get out the dust.
Stop there, boy. Sound check on the jungle. On the jungle.
So we are the leader of course, yeah. This is the area we're crossing on. Oh, we don't rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that I'm here supposed to be thankful. This is our life.
Sean, come get your people. Okay. Thank you. Well done. I'll tell you what.
Are you ready? This girl's like, Mom, why was that guy shouting like that? Is he okay? Massive, we are trying to build a voice when the man and play some good tune. This sound system is a reigning champion. It look like you're going as champion again, Massive. I'm not saying that. Make some noise for Hollywood Sound System! Well, Massive. That is another 5-minute rate. Huh? 30? No, but I said 7:12. If you keep in time, it will be 7:30. You keep time, sir? Alright, let's meet in the middle. Split in the middle. Yeah. If you don't beat me. Don't beat me, bro. Yeah, you're right. But we have to tune down early, make the speech, and then by the time the next person starts, the people back up. Alright, Massive, make some noise for Hollywood Sound System. That was there 5 minutes. Ah, boy, man, tell you, we're moving. Where the nice people in there? What's that, chow? Mango chow, right? What's that name? You're from Guyana? Oh, that's right. Okay, no problem. Alright, enjoy your show, baby. So here's the deal now. DJ Willie, representing generic sound, right? You have some big tune line up, DJ Willie. 5 minutes of big tune. People don't want to hear some big tune from the generic sound. Make some noise! Generic sound!
Yo, Hollywood. That's why we play about this side. This is the why?
You really not make it tonight, you know. Defending champion.
Hey. Cause I never seen it before. I never seen it before. I never seen it before. Never since I made it, people be them guys dancing, come in and generate and bring it from the scene and generate.
Okay. You walk a friend. Yeah.
Take it easy. Let's put the clap up, let the clap back down. Anybody see action? Anybody see action? Action! Cheers! Everybody see mighty action and bite it out! Everybody this!
Touching everything in the place. Everything that you hear, sing on the sound, we come to kill and we don't come every trace from the fast. Yapana, never do it on this. Generic, we do the kick off, a jump and this. And when we step in the place, everything that you hear, sing on the sound, we come to kill and we don't come every trace from the fast. I'm going to play another version, my son. Hold on!
Straight now, don't play the chop and boy face.
When you see this song, don't take it simple.
But on the rest, don't touch the restaurants and take hours and take ice to the flight. One day generic, you don't know, you might lose your life. Because selector boy don't get too bright. Let's go. You ever don't have to regain to present straight in our week. Don't play the chop and boy face. But on the rest,
look at this, ready.
Whosoever want work, come generate. Lock them up before the night done. Listen, whosoever want work, come generate. Lock them up before the night done. Generate how you get the song in a good condition. And the man in the DSA in good selection. Some boy want to slip from my direction. One thing you know them can't mash up the plan. Now come a dance and come from no section. Anytime we sing up the murder, jump on the head.
Okay, come to let me know. Jack Stone. Jack. Why up on mama? Generate that up on your stone. Anything that's with them. You know up on mama. Generate that up on your big deal, and I sit down the bank, jump and figure shot. And there's some boy this to know a straight gunshot. I sit down the bank, jump and figure shot. And there's some boy this to know a swim. All, and if I know every man will know say every
represent for generic sound. All of DC, Baltimore. Yo, Father Lyrics, RIP forever. Yo, big up Antifa, Eric, Gina, DJ Ready, Diver D. You know the things, alright? A Popeye Caution. Tap the exclusive for them. Ready? Watch it. Who this walking ghosty? Yo! Big like Gucci. Yo! The fans them push. Yo! First class, then black catch now. Rich part, we are this rich part. Hey! Run it down, we are kill a rich part. Hey! Why for dark, we don't place a kid. Why for dark, we don't place a kid. And you did what? We do it. Hey! We do it. Hey! We do it. Hey! We do it.
Howard County Fairgrounds, make some noise for Black Warrior! Respect for all the people. And we're going to do it different. We have a man from the hotel New York called Ashwell. Admiral Willow, the school bridging. You have all you from New York. And see if you can get some from the song. Come in, Admiral. What up, Selector? First of all, the greatest in the name of God, the Almighty Creator. Can we get what's good? Come on, Mike. Come on,
Their sound system is the only sound system that does not have amplifiers powering them from back there. When you get a chance, massive, look at every one of these sound systems. They all have these big, bright lights and the big, powerful amplifiers. these guys, them broke, them can't afford an amplifier. So them go to the point. Guys, we ready? Go! Well done, my brother. So, you have to come and say something to the people in Guyanese, you know. And don't say chicken curry, okay?
Curry chicken. Alright, people. The man say I have to say something.
Don't say spoon.
Alright. Yo, I didn't win that award, you know. I didn't win the award. DSA won that award. My affiliation with the DSA family and the whole Sound fraternity helped me to get where I'm at. So I'm a family them. They also suffered because of what we like to do. I would like the sound system thing, and everybody here likes sound system because you wouldn't be here. If you don't like sound system, you wanna come in close to me, right? So Wally, yo, yo, manners and respect to the whole DSA organization. Again, on behalf of the Red, Gold and Green family, big up everybody, all the guests, all the patrons, all who come from far and near. Big up yourself.
Yo, people, I just got approval from Wally Massive. I gave him 500 Jamaican dollars and I said, no, make Pepper play at least for 10 minutes. And I agree.